Hey guys, George Walt Parks After Dark, and we are here at the base of Cinderella's castle. Right, so we're in Magic Kingdom, and it's a very special night. If you see the stage, where normally they do the shows, there's a band being set up. There, we see the keyboards, and we see the drums, and we see all the lights, and we see all the acoustics. Well, you may not know, but organizations, companies around the world rent the entire park out. When they rent it out, it closes early. Today, it closes at 5:30. Now it's 5:45, and Florida Parks After Dark has stayed in, and we're going to be booted out in a minute. But I wanted to show you this. Dave Matthews is doing a private concert for this company that has rented the entire Magic Kingdom out till midnight tonight. It is one of the perks of being in a very large company, and the expenses, from what I understand, are 5 to 6 figures to do the night. Not counting what it costs to get a Dave Matthews band to do a concert for you. So this is an extremely rare peek at what this is like as they're doing the setup, with the taping in where the people are going to stand, and they're getting the instruments and everything set up, and we're at the base of the castle, and this is just crazy. We had to show you. So with that being said, guys, this is your Florida Parks After Dark. We will show you everything that we see happening behind the scenes. This is one of those things. You guys take care of a fantastic day.